A new beginning holds a power that is both exhilarating and transformative. It's the moment you decide to leave behind the limitations of yesterday and embrace the possibilities of today. A stronger personality doesn't emerge overnight, but it starts with a single decision: the decision to grow, to evolve, and to rise above challenges. You have that power within you, waiting to be unleashed. When you think of a new beginning, think of it as a clean canvas. The past may have left its marks, but this is your opportunity to paint a picture of resilience, confidence, and purpose. Embrace the lessons from your experiences, not as burdens, but as building blocks. Each setback has taught you something valuable. Each disappointment has shaped your resolve. Today, you are stronger because of what you've endured, and that strength is your foundation for the future. Building a stronger personality begins with self-awareness. Take a moment to reflect on who you are and who you want to become. What values define you? What are your passions and dreams? Write them down, say them out loud, and commit to living in alignment with these principles. Self-awareness is the first step toward authenticity, and authenticity is the cornerstone of true strength. Courage is essential on this journey. A new beginning often requires stepping out of your comfort zone. It means trying something new, speaking up for yourself, or facing fears head-on. Remember, courage doesn't mean the absence of fear. It means taking action despite it. Each time you choose courage, you strengthen the foundation of your personality, building confidence one step at a time. Surround yourself with people who uplift and inspire you. A strong personality isn't built in isolation. Seek out mentors, friends, or communities that challenge you to grow. Let their positive energy fuel your journey. At the same time, be mindful of those who drain your energy or pull you back into old patterns. Part of a new beginning is learning to set boundaries and protect your growth. Another key to a stronger personality is resilience. Life will continue to test you, but every challenge is an opportunity to prove your strength. Resilience isn't about never falling. It's about rising every time you do. When you encounter obstacles, remind yourself of how far you've come. Let your determination drive you forward, and let each triumph, big or small, build your confidence. Practicing gratitude can also empower your transformation. Take time each day to acknowledge the good in your life. Gratitude shifts your perspective, helping you focus on possibilities rather than limitations. It's a simple but powerful tool to maintain a positive mindset, even during difficult times. A strong personality is rooted in optimism and the ability to find light in the darkness. Commit to continuous learning. A stronger version of yourself is always a work in progress. Read books, listen to podcasts, attend workshops, whatever fuels your growth. Knowledge expands your perspective and equips you with the tools to navigate life with wisdom and confidence. Embrace each day as an opportunity to learn something new about yourself and the world around you. Remember to be kind to yourself. Building a stronger personality doesn't mean being perfect. It's about being human with all your flaws and strengths. Celebrate your progress, forgive your mistakes, and keep moving forward. Self-compassion is the key to sustaining your growth and maintaining a positive relationship with yourself. A new beginning is not just a chance to start over. It's a chance to become the person you've always dreamed of being. Take that first step with confidence, knowing that you have everything you need within you to succeed. Your stronger, more resilient, and empowered self is waiting on the other side of this journey. Embrace it and watch your world transform.